Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making pickled cabbage. Eating sauerkraut may help you strengthen your immune system, improve your digestion, reduce your risk of certain diseases, and even lose weight. You can use cabbage as desired, put as many as you want. I normally use 6 cabbages, that lasts me for several months, and then I pickle it again if I need to. Make sure you remove all bruised leaves so the cabbage ends up healthy. Use a small knife to cut the cabbage core and make sure the sharp side of the knife is away from your hand because you can cut yourself pretty good. Just be careful. And then slowly just dig up the hole to be about 2 inches deep for enough salt to be put in. Fill it up with the salt to the top. I use Himalayan sea salt, and that's why it looks a little bit pink, but you can use any salt that you like. I use 10-gallon water cooler, but you can use any container as long as you can fill it up with water and put the lid on it. And then just start putting cabbage in, and you can push it down a little bit to make it a little bit tighter so they don't float after you fill up with water. Then gently add water, and you can spray it on the side of the wall so you don't wash off the salt out of the cabbage. Fill it up with water about an inch above the last cabbage. And then just add salt. It's about half a cup of salt for every gallon of water. Cover with a plate or some flat object to keep cabbage submerged in water. I use Tupperware filled with water to keep it down, or some people even put a rock or something heavy to make sure cabbage is pressed down. This is optional, but after a day I cut up 4 beets and I put them in to get more vitamins and more probiotics. And that's why my cabbage looks pink. More or less, depending on the temperature, between 15 and 20 days, your cabbage is ready to be used. Before I get the cabbage out of the cooler, I drain some of the pickled cabbage brine, which is called rasol. It's extremely healthy drink. Then use your thumbs inside the core to loosen up layers. I keep the big leaves for stuffed cabbage. And the center of the cabbage I slice it in little pieces for salad or some other recipes like bodvarak. I cut the cabbage vein so it's ready to be used for stuffed cabbage or what's called sarma. I use gallon jar with the lid on it with a bigger opening. So just roll your cabbage nice and tight and pack it in. After you're done putting as much as cabbage you can, fill it up with pickled cabbage juice. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.